What's up, you guys? It's Vincanity, and this week in my online intermediate breaking class, we worked on the elbow freeze, learning the structure of it, learning how to stick it, and also learning how to get into it. Now, the elbow freeze is not something that just happens overnight. It does take a lot of practice, it does take a lot of training. So the homework for the class was actually to practice the elbow freeze. So today I'm gonna teach you guys a basic routine and structure to help you get the elbow freeze and help you get it strong. If you guys are interested in joining my online breaking classes, I have a beginner class, an intermediate class, and a monthly master class. You guys can do that by clicking the link below, hop in, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start off going into our elbow freeze position on the ground, and we're gonna lift up into kind of like a plank or a downward dog position if you're familiar with yoga. And if this is too hard for you, again, the plank is also an easier option, but we're gonna hold it for 20 seconds. Ready? It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you're pushing to the ground. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice job, everyone. Go ahead and hold a stretch. Ready? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And switch arms. Go ahead to the other side. Ready? Holding it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and going right back into that position. If your elbow starts hurting at any point, what you can do is grab like a yoga mat and use that to kind of use as a cushion, or if you need like a pillow will work too. Okay, go ahead and go right back into that position, gripping the floor, pushing into the ground, lifting up your legs, and ready, pushing, ready, we hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Down. And this time we're gonna roll our shoulders, ready to go around, really like helping mobilize them and warm them up. Go the other way, we go around, really just trying to condition them. So as we do this workout, it will get a little bit harder, okay? Last one we're gonna do this time. If you wanna lift up one leg up in the air, you can if you wanna get tricky, but if you wanna be, at the safer level, just keep it safe, right? Here we go, hands down. Don't forget, hands wide open, pushing into the ground, lifting up your legs, putting all your weight into your elbow. And if you want to get tricky, lift up one leg. Ready? And let's hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and go ahead and relax. All right, so that was 3 sets of just doing it like that. And again, the whole point is to condition your shoulder and really try to strengthen it so that you can be ready to actually put all your weight onto it, right? The elbow freeze is not something that's natural to most people, so it does take a little bit of getting used to before moving on to the harder stuff, okay? So now we are gonna actually use a object. I'm gonna use this couch, but you guys could use a chair, you guys could use the wall. Just make sure, like, especially if you're indoors, don't put your dirty feet on something that's like white or something that's gonna show. And if your feet are dirty, wash them before you stick it on a couch or stick it on a chair or the wall, okay? Don't be a bunch of dirty kids, be clean kids that your parents like. All right, you guys, hands down. And again, put your foot or feet on the object that you're gonna use. position yourself so that you're able to straighten your legs. And again, pushing your elbow into the floor, having your hand lined up with your elbow, and go ahead and lift up a little bit higher this time using this object. Ready? We're gonna hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. So again, you might feel a little bit of discomfort in your elbow. It's normal. It's just because you're not used to it, and also just putting, weight on any body part for extended periods of time, it will start to hurt. But the good part is your body will learn to adapt, and it will become more and more conditioned. All right. Let's do a little bit more warm up for our shoulders. Everyone grab your shoulders and go around and around and keep rolling it. All right, really just helping us warm up our shoulders. What we're doing is pretty lightweight, so we want to slowly do it before we do the real thing. Okay, other way, around, around, warming up your shoulders, helping increase your flexibility, because the more flexible you are, the cooler your elbow freezes are gonna look. All right, here we go. This next one, same exact thing. Don't get tricky on us yet. Okay, feet on the chair, elbow to the floor, and when you're ready, let's lift up. Find your position, fix your form, and holding it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Go ahead and relax. All right. Let's move our shoulders just forward. Give yourself a hug and go out. Open up your chest. Go in and out. Open up your chest and back. This opening up of our chest is going to be really important when you eventually do what's called the pike, because this is going to allow you to reach your shoulders further back. Okay, here we go. This last one, if you want to get tricky, if you want to do something with one of your legs, let's try it. All right, let's add some form to our freeze, add some little techniques to it. Okay, make it look interesting. Okay, so leg goes up, other leg goes up, elbow down. Okay, find your position, fix your form. Always actively critique yourself and try to make adjustments to kind of fine tune your freezes. Okay, go ahead, legs up, and if you want to do something with this other leg, go ahead, put it wherever you want it, bend it, cross it, whatever you want to do. Right, holding it, and for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, you guys, that has been the training for our elbow freezes. Do this at the beginning or end of every single practice. Build that structure, build your strength, and you guys are gonna have the elbow freeze in no time. All right. If you guys are interested in joining my training group, we meet every single week. I have a beginner class and an intermediate class and a master class you could take. Click on the link below, hop in class today, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, take care. Peace.